months ago, I started investing into Fundrise. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how much Fundrise had paid me in 3 months, okay? Or should I say in a quarter? So maybe we just put it 4 months. So that's what we're going to be discussing in this video. And remember when I said what I made from Fundrise in 3-4 months, we're talking about passive income, because I didn't have to do anything apart from just investing. I didn't have to chase any tenants up and down. I didn't have to do any night visit and so on and so forth. So in this video, that is what we are going to be looking into. Meanwhile, if you are just visiting our channel for the very first time, I really appreciate you. Please do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, so that with that you will be helping us with YouTube algorithm. Okay, so smash on that button right there. Yes, right there. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share with someone that you know will benefit from it. Okay, talking about investing, personal finance, and especially this year, okay, you too can do it. It doesn't matter how much, $10, $100, $500, $1,000. And that is the purpose of creating this video. I'm not a real estate agent or realtor, okay? So, but at least I try to put it out there that if I could do it, you too, you can do it. Some of you can even do better and bigger than what I'm doing, okay? So I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Like this video, subscribe, leave your comment below this video if you have any question, and of course, let's dive into this video. All right, so welcome back. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you right now, where I'll be showing you what I made, okay, in 4 months, just in 1 quarter. So as you can see, ending value, okay, so I put in 3,000, and of course net returns was $173.66. so what I put in was $3,000. So if you break it down, so it simply means that in 3 months, okay, dividends earned was $8.08 and appreciation was $165.58. What do you think? Do you think it's really worth it? I think yes. Okay, I think yes. If you keep your money in the bank, okay, most banks will not even pay you 1% in a whole year. So I'm going to take you once again to my account and just show you the breakdown of how this went. Okay, all right, so this is my account. Okay, I started this, as you can see, the dividends and everything, the breakdown, and as you can see, so the reason why you are seeing 4,000 in this place was because there was a month that I put in 2,000 instead of 1,000, but my monthly investment that I put in is actually 1,000, and that is not even my goal. My goal is, God help me, for me to be able to, at least in the next 10 years, okay, as you can see my goal right here, okay, my goal is right here is to have $1 million account, portfolio. That is the target in this particular program. So if you have that, and for me to make that happen, it therefore means that I need to have auto investment of $9,265 every month. Is it doable? Is it possible? I believe yes. Now, everybody cannot do this, and even myself that I set this goal, I'm telling you, is to stretch me. Okay, if I cannot meet up, at least I could meet up with 10% of that, or 20%, or 50% of that. And that is exactly what this is all about. Now, in case you missed the very first video I created about Fundrise, okay, Fundrise is a crowdfunding platform whereby different people can come together and they just, invest. If you want to invest into real estate and you want to buy properties, I'm talking about premium properties, talking about 10 millions, 20 millions, $100 million dollars. How many people have that kind of money? But you could just, join this kind of program, and it helps you to be able to, put in your money small, like what I just show you right now. If my calculation is right, that is that in that 3 months is about 5.5%. Okay, 5.5% in 3 months. Yes, I'm a Forex trader. I make more than that in a month. But then this is passive. This is passive, guys. This is passive. When we're talking about passive income is income, money that you make, okay, without you doing anything. Without you doing anything. For instance, I'm not doing anything. I don't know when they went to buy any properties. You could see, if I come down over to this place, you will see my portfolio. So if I click on my portfolio right now, where my money has been, okay, portfolio that my money has been put into use, okay, you will see this was purchased for 20.8 million. This was 26.7 million. This was 6.3 million. This is 3.3 million. This is actually very close to me here.
Are you ready to change your financial status this year? You are invited to Money Mastery. How to make, manage, and multiply money with Dr. Emmanuel Idegbola. Emmanuel Idegbola is an apostle of change, motivational speaker, and a minister of the gospel. You can't afford to miss out of this show. Join Dr. Emmanuel Idegbola, aka the Forex Apostle, every Thursday on Facebook and YouTube. The time is 7 a.m. Central Time. That's 8 a.m. Eastern Time, 4 p.m. in Nigeria, and 3 p.m. in London. There's a wealthy place. There's a pathway that leads to the wealthy place. Dr. Emmanuel is ready to show you how to get there. Are you ready?
Uh, 1.75 billion, 6.2 million, and so on and so forth. Now, so all of these, as these properties appreciate in value, so I get dividend. So you can do one time, and you can just, you know what, maybe every month or every paycheck, you can just put in something, $100, $10, 500, depends on your depends on you, depends on your pocket, depends on what you can afford. There was a very first video I created about this. You should see it either, you know, up right there, or I will put the description, I will put the link at the description of this video. Make sure you click on it, watch it, and then see if this will fit into what you can do. Stop saying, okay, I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it. Just start to do it. Just do it. Like, you know, just do it. Just do it. Now, when you Google, okay, like, okay, how much is the return from Fundrise? Averagely, you will see returns from like people coming from like 8 to maybe possibly 10% per year. Okay, annual return per year. That is what averagely. And remember, the 5.5% that I just showed you right now is just, that is for 3 months. Indirectly, that is for 3 months. That's for 3 months. So I'm good. I mean, my prayer and my goal, okay, you pray, then you act. My prayer is to continue with this program like this, at least for the next, if possible, for the next 10 years. For the next 10 years, then see how far. And you know, you have to make sure you create multiple streams of income for yourself. So it's not just only, you know, one stream. God did not make mistake when he, you know, he allowed just one stream to enter Garden of Eden. Then immediately the stream enter, it divides to 4. So when you are investing, you need to learn how to diversify. And when you look at what is happening right now, real estate is very, very, I mean, it's just booming right now. It's just booming right now. People are talking about inflation, this, inflation, that, but I mean, in my state, in the state of Texas, you know, homes are getting more expensive. Even inflation is also making the price of homes. Single family homes that used to be like $350,000 before is now around $450,000, $500,000. So, and if that continues, inflation is around 6.5, it's increasing. So definitely, you know, we expect more. Okay, so you have to look into, okay, where can you put your money? Yes, I'm into cryptos, I'm into Forex, I'm into stocks, but then cryptocurrency can just go from, Bitcoin can go from $40,000 to $10, and it can go from $40,000 to $100,000. But it's very difficult for a home, a value of a home or a house, to go from 500,000 to 100,000, boom, like that. I mean, I know there is a great recession that, real estate market crashed, but of course it doesn't happen all the time. It doesn't happen all the time. So in case you are looking into getting started, there should be a link right at the description also, or you just go to www.joinfundrise.com, www.joinfundrise.com. Go through it, read through it, and see if it's what you can add to your investing vehicle, and see what you can do. I mean, take a look at this is performance right now. As you can see, actually right now it's actually 7.8. I mean, I put 5.5 based on the value I saw, but from what I saw right here, this is 7.8, which is not really bad. As you can see, it is not bad at all. It is not bad at all. So if we continue this and see how far we this is the trial. This is my transaction so far. As you can see, is auto. I put it on auto invest. You can see this 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. So, and the goal is to continue this by God's grace. By God's grace, if possible, even increase it. Okay, who can do this? Anybody can do this. Who can do this? Even you can do this. Okay, I hope you will be able to get just a little value from this video. If you have enjoyed this video, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video with someone that will benefit from it, and just show me something. God bless you. I love you, and I will see you in the next video.
Are you ready to change your financial status this year? You are invited to Money Mastery. How to make, manage, and multiply money with Dr. Emmanuel Idegbola. Emmanuel Idegbola is an apostle of change, motivational speaker, and a minister of the gospel. You can't afford to miss out of this show. Join Dr. Emmanuel Idegbola, aka the Forex Apostle, every Thursday on Facebook and YouTube. The time is 7 a.m. Central Time. That's 8 a.m. Eastern Time, 4 p.m. in Nigeria, and 3 p.m. in London. There's a wealthy place. There's a pathway that leads to the wealthy place. Dr. Emmanuel is ready to show you how to get there. Are you ready?